welcome back to another video. Today we are playing with my old heater, a controller panel. I was just filming some slow-mos for fun. Look how broken it is. My foot got cut. Look, watch. I'm actually doing so much damage. Okay. You see that there? That's right. Hit. I'm having so much fun destroying this. Oh, look at all of the controls in it. Wait, I'll show you. I feel bad for whoever made this. Potterton made this. Oh my god. There's so much damage to it. Oh, look what came out of it. Whoa! Sick. This thing's awesome. Let me just take that apart. Whoa. Okay, we need to break this part off so we can see it. Probably gonna be 10 minutes of me crushing stuff. Okay, we crushed that off. I don't want to cut my foot. I don't want to cut my foot again. Ugh. Anyway, don't try this at home. Just have a parent with you, because I'm a little bit older than you think I am. You probably think I'm like 8. But I can be supervised by myself. Okay, so look in there. So that's what we're going to face. That's what we're going to face. Okay. Let's just rip this apart. Got it. So that's a control panel if you want to see what's inside your heater. That might be inside your heater if it's from Potterton. I'm freezing cold out here. There's a lot of stuff that we have to sweep up. One prayer. Oh my god, another one of those black things came off. It shot at me. It hit my head. Ow. Okay, I'm going to put you on my leaner. You know, my fellow leaner is a candle thing from IKEA. That's the only thing I have. And I use it for my Roblox and funneh videos. Kind of use it for all of my videos except for vlogs. Okay. Look at that. That is just amazing. That's what's inside a heater. Okay. Oh, it smells like gas and stuff. I've nearly cracked through that. Jeez. Whoa. All of these stuff. Whoa. What is this? What is this? I am interested of what that is. Nerdy guys out there, what is this? What is this? And sorry, Potterton, can you sponsor this video? Sponsor this video, Potterton. I'll give you some money to. I'm sorry breaking your stuff, but it's old and we don't have anything to do with it, so I might as well break it for a YouTube video. Freaking hell. What the hell? I just literally went through it. It's stuck into the thing. Okay. I'm covering my eyes, but I don't know where to hit, so I'm sometimes hitting the ground. Oh. Okay. You stay there. Okay. I'm dropping it. I got slashed by it again. So it just went down. Oh, look. I think this is an oil tank or something. Might keep that. My foot is really painful. What the hell? Look at all these random stuff that has to power just one little thing. Just imagine like what like a massive house could be. Like all the lights. I should really put something on my eyes. Okay, I'm gonna get it from the back. I think that's a better place. It just flipped. Oh my! Yep. That's definitely the better place to break it, because all of this stuff is bent now. I want to keep all some of this stuff. I might keep this. Whoa! Oh, that's sick. That's sick. That is sick. Like it's all green. Mom! 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 Can you come down? My mum is washing up. How much do we have left on this? Couple of minutes. He's gonna be down in like a minute. Oh, yeah, this is definitely doing something to my lungs. No, I think it's just old. Look at that. That's a shard of glass. It's plastic and stuff. Just look at that. Just look. If you're wondering what's like inside the thing, look at that. Look at that. Oh, by the way, my granddad told me that I should do some music. So you might see a lot of music and singing stuff. So if you don't like singing, you just want gaming, subscribe. No, if you don't like singing or dancing or music, just look at my other things, like destroying stuff, because I think I can destroy some other stuff too. Oh. People in my town must be thinking, what the heck is that guy doing? Whoa! Look at that. Crack there, if you can see it. Oh, it smells like old stuff. I know that some of you guys live in Coulson, probably, I don't know. But comment down below where you live. You can only just say Coulsdon, Selsdon, whatever you want. Don't say your address. Oh, nope, you've fallen down. Okay. Oh, shoot. Ow. That actually really hurt. Okay. Good? We're good. Ow. That actually really hurt. I'm still doing it with my eyes closed. I hit it. Something just rammed at me. Don't take another step when you're at the door.
Jesus.
I cut my foot.
Cut your foot?
Yes, just there.
Right, well you need to clear this up all afterwards.
Look at that. It's all green.
Yeah, you're going to make loads of mess and you're going to struggle to clean it all up.
Ow. Okay, I'm going to throw it.
Throw it where?
Down.
I don't want bits everywhere.
Just move. I got that one. I love breaking stuff. Is there any more stuff to break?
No.
Oh, I wish our thing, like our tap breaks. And when we get a new one.
Careful, there's a screw coming up there now.
What?
Your foot is right next to a screw sticking up now.
Okay. Anyway, guys, that's it for today's video. Well, I might do another video today. Stay tuned. I might break some more things if we get some more things broken. That we can break more. So yeah, this is the end of it. All of it's gone. Everything's in shatters and parts. And I got my foot cut. So yeah, peace, purple people.